Hello, I'm going to go ahead and make another tutorial here today. I will be talking about, I'm actually using the past Agente VPS here because I'm just making it now. I am going to make this tutorial on Django. I don't know how to say that. It's like DJN Go. So, Django. I don't know. Maybe we'll have to have like some kind of spelling or pronunciation on that. Alright, so anyways, I want to just go ahead and get this tutorial rolling. I don't want to spend all day on this. So first thing is first, we're going to go ahead and do an apt get install Python, because Django, from what I have read, it is built on Python. So we're going to have to go ahead and get Python, and we're going to go ahead and press yes. Alright, so we are installing, and that is hit. We're going to want to go ahead and do curl-o, and then https raw github.com pypa, and then virtual environment master virtual environment.py. So that's that, and we're going to go ahead and get that, and we do have that. So I'm next going to go ahead and do python, and then virtual env.py, and then example underscore env. And make sure, if you are watching this tutorial in 340 or 480, make sure you please upgrade that to 720 or 1080 or anything above 720. It helps with viewing my terminal, because I do record at high definition. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter after that, and we cannot see a couple of things here. Let's make sure we do have everything set up correctly here. Python virtual env virtual. I'm just gonna go continue here real quick. We didn't create that virtual environment, but I'm not sure why we're not seeing these. So we're gonna do example underscore env, and then bin, and then activate. And then we're in the example environment right now. Now we're going to go ahead and install Django. I hope that's how you say it. So pipe install django. Alright, now since downloading it, it's running it, and it's installing it. We should be okay about these. And we have a couple more, and it's successfully installed Django. Now it's cleaning up. Alright, now we're going to do well, we're not actually going to do these, but in the future you can do a pipe install -- upgrade Django, and then you can do a pipe uninstall Django. Now that's for upgrading or uninstalling. So that's it for now. I hope this was somewhat helpful. I know somebody requested this. If there's any questions about this, please go ahead and give me a message, and I'll do a little bit more research on this. So thank you for watching this, and have a great day.